Okay, surprise! For lab today, you have a 3-hour lab project, which will be turned in online by the end of lab. So that is from 6:30 to 9:35. So I'm going to give you until 10 p.m. for it to be submitted online, but this should take you 3 hours. So in 3 hours, you need to design an experiment in which you will test an unknown weak acid to solve for its Ka. What are you actually going to turn in? Now I'm going to explain how to approach this in just a second, but what you're actually going to turn in is a PDF document with the name of the experiment, the theory supporting the experiment in 1 to 3 paragraphs, and a step-by-step procedure of the experiment. Then I also want you to know what you're going to be graded on. You'll be graded on the understanding of the material, the clarity or correctness of your procedure. If it works or doesn't work, I'll be able to grade upon that, and the overall presentation, your neatness, etc. Don't forget to include safety precautions. Okay, so how are you actually going to do this? You'll need to research. So do some research within the 3 hours. Now I know you only have 3 hours. There's a reason why this is timed. So to reiterate, in 3 hours, you're turning in a PDF online. It'll be under the Assignments tab, under Lab Project, 3 hour. You'll have the name of the experiment, theory supporting the experiment, and a step-by-step of the procedure. Ready, set, go.